3, 2, 1, release, release, release.
Fire, fire.
Virgin Galactic Spaceplane VSS Unity completes the successful flight. It's the first of 4 space flights the company has planned this year. Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic completed its first successful space flight in more than 2 years on Saturday, with its crewed VSS Unity spacecraft carried to an altitude of more than 44,000 feet before gliding safely back to the Earth. It marked the first space flight from New Mexico, making its third United States to launch humans into space. The New Mexico state flag was displayed on the outside of the ship. Virgin's VMS Eve carrier aircraft took off from the Spaceport America in New Mexico at about 10:35 a.m. ET with Unity aboard. About 10 minutes before it released, Unity switched to its own battery power and conducted flight control and electrical checks. Once released by Eve, Unity's pilots CJ Starkow and Dave Mackay ignited the rocket motor and then shut it down a few minutes later, with the spacecraft's momentum keeping it traveling towards its apogee, or the highest point. Unity reached a speed of Mach 3 after it was released from Eve and reached the space at an altitude of 55.45 miles. It reached apogee at about 11:30 a.m. ET, did a slow turn, then glided back to the Earth's atmosphere, landing at about 11:43 a.m. ET on the same Spaceport American runway where the flight began.